Welcome back to Kanto Housewife. If you're a parent in Sacramento or just visiting and looking for a screen-free adventures that your toddler will actually love, you are in for a treat. Today we're taking you inside the Sacramento Children's Museum, one of our favorite spots for hands-on indoor fun. The museum is designed for kids from infancy to about 8 years old, with a strong focus on play-based learning. And it's completely hands-on. Nothing is off the limit and everything is made for kids to touch, move, explore, and imagine. The entrance is gated so you don't have to worry about your child run out by accident. Here is the hours. The museum is closed on Monday and kids 12 months or younger are free. Children's over 12 months is $10 for entry and senior, grandparents, and veterans get discount. Right when you enter the building, there's a giant wooden table that mimic the small city of Sacramento. There are wooden cars like the ambulance and fire engine that your kids can play with.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
There are also red buttons on a table that your children can touch and it will create a sound effect. Next to the wooden table on the right side, there's a snack zone and also the reptile area. You get to meet some of the reptiles like this tortoise that totally stole the show. My kids love seeing them close up. Next to the reptiles are the giant light brights. There's colorful rods that you can insert into the light and it will change color. Our toddler's absolute favorite part is definitely the pretend play zones. It's like a tiny city built just for them. There's a mini post office where they can sort mail, pack deliveries, and pretend to send letters to friends and family. There's even a small version of the post office vehicle that they can pretend to drive. There is a small grocery store stocked with toy fruits, vegetables, and shopping carts, perfect for mini shoppers in training.
Beep. 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 Beep.
There's even a small cozy mini home complete with a super cute fireplace where they can pretend to cook, clean, and play house. If you have babies that is 2 and under, there is a soft enclosed baby zone with mirrored, texture toys, and plenty of padding. It's a great spot to let them explore while the older siblings go play. If your kiddo love getting creative, there's a full art studio. On the left side is the sensory area where there are sensory pads on the floor that the kid can step on and a wall light that will change color when you touch it. It's very cool. My husband had a lot of fun too. Behind the sensory play is the airway. This gotta be one of the biggest and funnest exhibit in the whole museum. Basically, there is different tube that you can change direction and the airflow will carry the pom-pom to different direction and fly out from the end. My kid spends like half an hour watching this. And one of the coolest program here is called Play Around the World, where your little ones can learn about Asian cultures while playing. From China's pandas to Korea's sea diving women or they call mermaids, and Japanese cherry blossom picnics. The setups are really beautiful and we can learn as adults too. It's definitely a gentle and joyful way to introduce little ones to the culture beyond their own. Don't forget to check out the pin wall and see who can push the pin faster than the other side. In the back is Camp Rental where they can pretend to have outdoor fun indoor. You get to do some bee and bag toss, run through a forest of noodles, pretend you're fishing out of the pond, and even sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat next to the campfire. We had such a great time at the Sacramento Children's Museum, and if you're looking for something fun, educational, and screen-free, this is totally worth a visit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family-friendly adventures near Sacramento. Alright, we just finished our journey at Sacramento Children's Museum. Now we're heading home. We had so much fun. Baby, did you guys have fun?
Turn left onto Gold
Yeah.
Center Drive.
Yeah? Did you like the Children's Museum?
Yeah.
Do you want to come back?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we come here every day?
Yeah.
All right. That's it for today's content. Make sure you check out my playlist and I will see you in the next video. Bye.